Hey, what's going on? So somebody had a question about changing the underline, the hover on the menu. Instead of making it an underline, they wanted to make it a box and put a color inside. So I'm going to show you how you can do it on your Shopify store to change that. So instead of when you hover, it's showing the underline, it shows a box. What you want to do is come to your customizer, your theme customizer, click on header. So for here, you just click on header like this, click on header, and then it will come here. Now what you want to do is you want to go to where it says custom CSS. So that's at the bottom here. So once you're in this section here, custom CSS, I want you to come and paste this code in like this. There we go. So this code here, basically what this is doing is saying that when the link is hovered, add this color to the background, add this border here, and remove the underline. So if you come, so actually let me show you how it looked before and then after. So before, in my case, for my theme, when you hover, nothing happened. But in this case now, when you paste this code, and you see how it has this hover here, it has this, so this is the feature that they were looking for. But this is how you can add that to your store here. And of course, you can change this color to whatever you like. And you can change the border, you can make it thicker, you can make it thinner. But this is the code that you want to add to custom CSS on your header, so that way you can get this hover effect to appear on your store. So I hope this video is able to help. If you'd like to implement this on your store, or if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to help you out to see how we can get this working on your store. But once again, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out.